All right, guys, I'm out here with the SNAPTAIN H823H. I just want to see if it'll actually fly outside for a minute. I'm not gonna. If it starts to go to hell in a handbasket, I'm gonna shut it off. Okay. I just wanted to see if it'll fly outside, and it's like 25 right now. It's pretty chilly, but I'm gonna be sending this out to Ryan Duvall. I'll put a link in for his channel. He does really good reviews, man. He's one of the best guys. He's one of the best guys out there. So very thorough, very good. So I just want to see if it'll fly out here. You know, sometimes these things will fly great in the house, and then they'll lay a royal egg when you get them outside here. So. Well, the flips are working. I don't know what the hell the story is with that beeping. Hold on a minute. Stop it! Oh God, I'm shutting it off. Okay, I don't know what the hell that was. No, okay, so I guess I gotta shut the power off to the quadcopter too to rebind everything. That sounded like it was in like some kind of headless mode, but I did not hit the headless mode button, so. There's a little bit of breeze coming from that way, and that's why this thing immediately took off for that way. So. I mean, it's flying, but, you know, it's way better in the house, let's put it that way. I don't know if that's a range thing or why that's doing that. To be honest with you, I don't know why that's doing that annoying ass beep. If might be a low battery warning, could be. I don't know why the battery would be low. All this beeping is driving me bonkers, okay? Okay, I've had enough of that. Okay, enough is enough. I'm gonna send this out to Ryan. Hell with it. Hey, you know, like I said, this is an indoor quadcopter. Okay, so it did fly out here for a few minutes, but I mean, I wouldn't fly it out here in 25 degrees. It's great indoors. I mean, it's spectacular, but out here, not so much. All right, guys. Here's Plymouth Rock. Okay, have a nice day. I'll talk to you later.